50 years. In the whole story of human history, it's just the turn of a page. And in the life of our planet, it's just a heartbeat. But it's been enough time for us to put a scar on the face of the planet. In the last 50 years, we've done more damage to our world than in the entire 200,000 years of human history. The pristine Amazon rainforest and Cerrado savanna areas of Brazil cover 9 million square kilometers and are essential to the survival of the human species. These areas of dense, uncharted forest, wooded grasslands, and gently meandering rivers are responsible for 20% of our planet's oxygen, 30% of our planet's fresh water, and are sources of ingredients for 25% of all the West's modern medicines. But this environment is also home to one of the most iconic and graceful of the world's predators, the elusive black jaguar, symbolizing the precarious future of all of the Amazon rainforest and Cerrado savanna. This is the inspiring story of the Black Jaguar Foundation. When we save the home of the endangered and symbolic jaguar, we can preserve our own future and the futures of generations to come. The Black Jaguar Foundation and its partners are working on a 2,600-kilometer long, 40-kilometer wide nature corridor along the Araguaia River in central Brazil. It will preserve thousands of species and can become South America's biggest reforestation project. 10% has already been achieved, and you are a vital part to complete this important cause. Our team is a group of successful professionals and suppliers, backed up by strategic allies and the elite of project partners in Brazil. Still, we need your financial support to realize this world-changing initiative. And most important of all, your contribution will help preserve our planet for future generations.